This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. I have no idea why my cameras are not on. What could have happened between yesterday and today? Seriously. Anyways, while I'm working on that, it's 11:11. You know how you always see 11:11 the time? Well, today's date is 11:11. Welcome to the Futures Floor Omnius Trades Show. Gonna take a look, see what happened in the markets overnight. But I do know why my cameras aren't working. And we will get that fixed in just a moment. Disable. Deal me in. I like deal me in. Okay. I think we should be up and running. Minimize. Let's see. Yeah, we're all good. Okay, ready to go. Take a look, see what's happening. Well, as far as I know, the first sip of coffee. Always the best one. As far as I know, the what do you call it? Government shutdown is pretty much over. It was voted. They got the votes they needed, so I don't know how they're going to handle that, but that's a done deal. Markets are at 25,600. Let's take a look, see what happened on the 30-minute. Oh, no kidding. Overnight, we drifted lower. Okay. We have a little support line there that we got under. Acted as support, and it did also act as resistance. I wouldn't really call that major support. Let me zoom out a little bit, or zoom in. I never know which term to use. Let's go for 10 days. Let's get a little bit better picture. Are breaking some swing lows on the 30-minute. Obviously, like you guys can see, we are drifting lower. Okay, I can see that level. Yeah, that's a decent level over there. I mean, you know, it's a range. It's not an exact science, these levels. I hope you guys know that by now, right? Docs, chat. Good morning, Skeletor. Sorry, just got to put the chat in a better place. How you doing this morning? What's the volume? Omnius told me, I don't know, Omnius might not be showing up today. Omnius told me that the volume is going to be light. It's a bank holiday. I know I have the volume somewhere. I don't know why it doesn't show up so prominently, but there we go. 432,000, that's not bad. I can't complain about that. So what else do I want to look at? Obviously, what we did with the Asia session low, where we're trading. You know what? VWAP should be on this chart. Took out the Asia lows. We didn't take out the Asia highs. The 80% trade is null and void. We're trading below previous day's close. 25,721. We're about 120 points below that. This is the London session, the blue box. We're at near the lows of the London session. Does the momentum continue to the downside? Do traders think they want to take their profits? It's a hard call. But it's always a hard call. It's not our job to predict. It's our job to react. I would have to say right now, as a day trader, just looking at today's price action, the prominent trend is down. If I'm looking at a longer term, I can say maybe the prominent trend is up and this is a little bit of a pullback. But I take short-term trades. They don't last longer than a few minutes. So right now we're looking at downward momentum. The only question is whether or not it continues. I think that's what we got to be looking at, though. So we'll get up my platforms going. I hope I don't have problems. I hope you guys don't have problems, because I had a couple of problems yesterday with the data. And last time when I had a couple of problems, you guys had a couple of problems the next day. It was almost like rotating outages, which is kind of weird. Good morning, Omnius. Omnius, I have a good idea for you. So, yeah, it was kind of like rotating outages. I hope it doesn't continue. I hope it doesn't, actually, not only that, I hope it doesn't continue for you guys. I hope it doesn't continue for me. It's a little bit too much. It's not fun. It's not fun and it's not fair when you have to worry about your platform like that. You don't know if a trade's going to go through. You don't know if you're going to get reporting back. If a trade did go through, but you're not properly being reported, what can you do? The platform's free, right? Beggars can't be choosers, maybe. 5-minute chart. Let me just take a look, see what's going on. Who's stronger? MES, MNQ. Guys, we're having a snow squall here. I can't believe we're starting off the winter with a bang. It just doesn't stop snowing. I didn't even have winter tires on one of my cars, and it's buried outside. It looks like ES is a little bit stronger. ES came up to the pre-market highs. Didn't break them, but came up to the pre-market highs. Sold off, got rejected again for a third time at that, fourth time maybe at that level. 68.47. I can definitely say it acted as support early on around midnight. And then it acted as resistance at 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and now at 9:30. The 68.47 level. But NQ, the equivalent on NQ would be 25,644. We're 30 points below that. So, like I said, NQ is a little bit weaker today. And given that I'm looking at that kind of, hey, that's a pleasant surprise. You know what? I'm yapping here. I don't even know if my sound is working. I didn't even check. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's working.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's do a sound check.
I don't even know if mine's working.
Don't even know if mine's working.
Don't even know if mine's working.
Don't even know if mine's working. Don't even know if mine's working. I don't even know if mine's working.
I think there's a loop.
I don't know if mine's working.
I don't know if mine's working.
Okay, today's going to be a good day. You know what time I went to bed? 4 in the morning. And I'm still smiling. I don't even know how that's possible. But that wasn't by choice. I actually couldn't fall asleep.
Wife was supposed to go to the parade at 9. She's like, I'm like, what time are you leaving? She's like, 9.
How can you have
9,
a parade in the snow?
9:10, 9:15. Like,
Omnius is there saying, please don't go, 9:20.
Are you going to the parade today? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, what time? Like 9:15. I'm like, it's 9:20.
Well, okay, you missed it. You missed it.
No, they went. Too cold for
me. Oh, they did?
They just left
Okay.
to go to the parade at 9 o'clock.
Impressive. A 9 o'clock parade. What kind of parade? What you
I
got
think it's
going
a
at 9?
10 o'clock parade.
Bank holiday parade?
Veterans Day.
Is that what it is? I'm sorry. I'm a Canadian.
Bama, good morning. Skeletor, good morning.
Skeletor.
JC, if you're still there, good morning. Like 35 degrees, they want to do a parade.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Hey.
no. Then my daughter's like, I'm not cold. I'm not cold. I'm like, would you just put a jacket on?
I'm not cold.
I'm not cold. Then prove to me she's not cold. She goes out the back door, pushes the door all the way open, and just leaves it there to go outside and say, see, I'm not cold. Like you're letting all the freaking cold air in the house.
It's fucking cold.
It's fucking 35 degrees, and here you are with the back door wide open. What can you do?
Yeah. So, are we bouncing right off the open? What's the morning direction?
Wife's like, well, you don't start until 9:30. What's the rush? Like, Mike, right? You start at 9:30, right? At 9:29, you get everything ready?
That's it, yeah.
Yeah. Bullshit. It takes 15 minutes just to get everything turned on.
Yeah.
Then I had to reset my Ninja Trader again, so I had to figure out, hopefully I got the settings right again.
I took a small early morning trade. Does it show up? Yeah, it shows up. We are
The only person I've ever heard of that has to reset their Ninja Trader daily.
No, I had no problems this morning. I came in, I thought the cameras weren't working, but it was me. I didn't turn on the cameras, the Discord.
You're saying operator error?
Yep. Today was operator error.
Yeah.
I was discouraged because I said, no, come on, I didn't touch anything. Why are the cameras not working?
Speaking of cameras, I guess I better turn my camera on. Get ready for all the errors.
Oh, 9:30, market's open.
I was hoping to get time yesterday to try to work on it. Nope. Just too many things in life, man.
Well, quiet opening.
For anybody out there that ain't got kids, you just don't even know. You have no idea.
It is true. It is true. I always said they should have like a fucking school or something. Really, there should be some kind of training that people have to go through. You have to go to driving school at least over a year to get a driver's license. You should go to school and see what it's like. You should have to before you have kids. You got to go to this kids camp where you take care of kids exclusively all day long. You can't go to a movie. You can't do anything. It's little kids.
But nobody have kids.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, you know what? I remember when I said, holy fuck, I didn't know it was this much of a commitment. I thought, maybe a few minutes a day. A half an hour combined with feeding and everything. I didn't know it would completely take over my life.
I showed one at his birthday party, I think Saturday or something. This guy's telling me he's got 6 kids. Then he's telling me they want 12.
Oh.
What?
That's a lot.
You want 12? Oh, God. I'm like, good for you, buddy. Could you imagine 6 kids?
Well, they say once you have 2, it's the same thing if you have 6.
No. That's 3. So once you have 3, you might as well just go for it.
Yeah, then you can have 40.
All right, killing that one. I didn't like it. What?
I think you killed your long just as I went long.
Yeah, now it's going to go to profit. Got scared like a little bitch, huh? It happens. What the hell? It ticked my take profit, my stop loss twice. Now it's ticked my take profit. Just get me out. Like, how's that even possible? See, it would have worked out. Just gotta have faith.
Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
It's all right. Sometimes being scared makes you happy.
Looking to keep size small. I don't know if you heard. Volume is not bad, eh? It was 400,000 before the market even opened.
Okay.
Just for reference, again, a slow day, 200, 300,000 before the market opens. So 400,000 is not bad. There's volume there. ATR 16 right now on the 1 minute chart.
It's just weird that the banks are closed, but the market's not.
We got this resistance we were looking at yesterday, 25,625. You see it clearly on the 30-minute. Support, resistance, whatever. Same thing. A level. Let's just call it a level. How about that?
What price?
25,625. You see it on November 4th, November 6th.
Yeah.
Got tapped into.
I think I had it marked. I think I took it off because it already broke through.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll mark it. Again.
Where's VWAP? VWAP's above us, eh? We're still trading inside the pre-market range. That's the blue box. That's pre-market range, 6 to 930. Mildly bullish action so far, though, on the opening. Mildly.
You have kind of a bull flag on the 4-hour chart. See how that plays out. You can see the trend line on the hourly or the half hour, or probably 15-minute. Bama, did you watch that? Mike, what was that thing called? Deep chart or something?
Oh, I thought cheerleading competition.
The what?
The cheerleading competition. That's what I thought you were going to ask him if you saw it.
Wait, what cheerleading? I missed a cheerleading competition?
You did. It was live on YouTube last night. That's why do you think I stayed up till 4 in the morning?
Oh, goodness.
I'm joking. Tell me about your thing. I want to know. Seriously, no joke. It's deep charts?
Yeah, I was asking Bama if he watched the presentation on the deep charts.
It's funny you say that.
I was telling you about yesterday.
Yeah, well,
like $1,000 a year.
Oh, no kidding. Well, here's the funny thing. Taurus Capital. I was looking around yesterday, and the link for the platform was deep charts.
Yeah, the first like half an hour was pretty decent. I was like, this ain't too bad. And then like after that, it was money. It was like an info commercial. It was like they was giving you a little bit of information for like the first half an hour. And then after that, it was like no more information, just bye.
You won't pay $14.99. You won't pay even $16.99. You'll only pay 3 small payments of, huh? It was one of those.
Yeah, it kind of went like that, except it was something like a fair price would be like $10,000.
Yeah.
A great price would be like $5,000, $6,000.
We're
giving it to you at an unbelievable price. Never heard of before. Only lasts for so many orders of $1,000. Well, Well, you can get a 6-month subscription for $800, I think it was. I don't remember the numbers exactly.
Yeah. Well, so I'm curious to see if they're giving it away for free.
I imagine that a brand new platform coming out is going to have a lot of issues.
Yeah. I don't know.
And while I thought they had some cool stuff,
not if I was putting it out.
It reminded me so much of a Quantower. I just don't.
Yeah.
I don't know what benefit you would have using that over Quantower. Yeah, I don't need you to teach me about trading. Just want a monthly subscription to the platform. Same as Bookmap. I would think that Bookmap would be better. And I think they want you to pay extra for things like the Bookmap. I think they're going to have like a bunch of add-ons, so that's not even like the end of the price.
So basically, it's volume-based. It's focused on volume-based trading, order profile, Bookmap, those types of things.
Yeah, but Quantower has all of that.
Mm. Well, what was the big deal about Matt, Trades by Matt, when he wanted to open up a platform, besides the fact that it would make him rich?
There was some cool stuff they didn't show that it has because they were too busy trying to get money.
Mm.
Yeah, he talked he talked about some cool things, but I didn't really understand it. Like he's like the orb indicator or something on steroids or something.
An orb indicator?
Like, yeah, it looks like an orb indicator. Wow.
Well, there you go. I'm writing the check right now. Where do I sign up for $1,000? You're going to highlight the opening range.
And then, yeah, right. And then he talked about some other indicator and he showed the chart, but I didn't see anything there. I'm like, what are we looking at? Confused.
Orb. Orb is the big buzzword now.
Yeah. The only thing I did like was the large order indicator, which I have a generic version on NinjaTrader. I've had it forever. Never really tried it before, didn't like it. Put it back on, I'll try it again. Quantower has a generic version. I do like their version better, but I do think I could find a better version for NinjaTrader. Feel like I'd rather have Quantower. And I'm not saying that they're overcharging for their platform. That's about the going, I guess, for a platform. Yeah, I just want to try to. Yeah, I guess there's no what do you call it? Preview or whatever. No demo.
Mm.
Guys, like if you want to try it, buy it.
No trial period. Yeah.
No trial. Yeah, like yeah, dude, I want to spend $1,000 to try your software and not like it.
That's tough. That's bad. I think that's bad marketing, especially if it's new. You don't have word of mouth yet. You don't have people raving about it.
I mean, even NinjaTrader would give you a trial.
Yeah, I don't think a 30-day trial would have been out of the question on that.
And then they said a lot of the features ain't even working yet. So you got to spend $1,000 on a platform. Half the features ain't even working yet. Oh, the best part is
that's why you're not paying $10,000 now.
Yeah, and the best part is you can't even get the platform yet. So you have to pay for it now, but you can't even get it for like another week or two.
Well, they're building hype.
And then he was kind of insinuating that like a bunch of the other stuff was going to be extra, like the Bookmap. Yeah, it's crazy. Like I said, I'm not saying that they're overcharging for the platform. I'm just saying.
But they're overcharging for the platform.
Well, they're charging because of what we have access to.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't but a few years ago people were paying similar like that for Ninja Trader and Quantower and Sierra charts and stuff like that.
Maybe he's not marketing to the prop firm crowd.
I mean, hell, even TradingView, if you're buying the higher tier TradingView, you could still be paying the same amount.
Hey, maybe he's not marketing to the prop firm crowd. Look, who was yesterday? Didn't even know
Well,
what
yeah,
prop
what he
firms
was.
were.
Yeah, he kept talking about prop firms.
Oh,
People
yeah?
kept talking about data. He's like, well, once you get the prop firm or whoever you're going with, they'll give you data. Because people couldn't get over that. He kept saying it had 15-minute delayed data. Anybody giving you data is going to be 15 minutes delayed. Yeah, right. $200 a month for the data feed and all. That's crazy. Yeah, you buy level 2. Yeah, man. I mean, you should be able to use the book map and all that right there with Quantower. I did watch a few of one of their videos. I thought the guy did pretty good teaching order flow in his own videos, but that presentation was all just about give me money. Don't like their book map, can't read it. That's understandable. Well, a book map itself, I think it goes so much more in depth. I think we're basically just going sideways.
Mm.
Speaking of that, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. It is technically a holiday.
Butter Stunts. How you doing, Butter Stunts? Butter Stunts, Skeletor, Bama. Tune in next week. We're going to start our giveaways.
Butter Stunts, good morning. Like that they have the bubbles with the candlesticks. Yeah, I did like that. I don't know why more platforms don't have that. I feel like people have been asking for that for a long time, especially since you can actually see like the size of the bubble with the candlestick. I feel like that's something that people want. Mike's laughing. He's like, y'all over there talking about bubbles?
No. I was reading about Butter Stunts. He said he was in Florida and he found someone that talked like you. I guess with your accent, deep voice.
I was on vacation and I found a Floridian who sounded like Omnius. That's funny. It's funny because most Floridians don't even sound like me.
Mm.
I don't know where the hell my accent came from.
Louisiana and Texas.
I must have had like a favorite show or something when I was a kid, and that's where I got it.
Beverly Hillbillies.
Maybe I did watch that when I was a kid. Bama said, what we giving away? And you get a brand new car, and you get a brand new car.
Yeah. Showcase Showdown. Door number 1 and door number 2. 50K accounts, Bama. Hopefully we'll have about $1 million worth of
Floridian
them.
I've heard with an accent. Yeah, me too. It's funny because everywhere I go around Florida, people are like, where are you from? Like, Florida. Like, where's your accent from? Like, fuck, I don't know. Maybe I need to work on my accent, get like a British accent or something.
Hey.
Hey?
All you got to do is throw in A. You're the first Southern Canadian we've ever heard.
What do the British say?
I have no idea.
Man, we're gonna have to find a British guy and ask him what they say for A.
Let's get up to 25, 620, 625. Can we do that? Is that too much to ask? I don't know if Deal Me In is working, but I'm in a trade, so.
Might have to look up British phone numbers and call some random person. Ask them what they say.
Hey.
Hey?
Maybe they say, hey. Got to get the whole YouTube community saying, hey. Oh, yeah, you're dumping.
Canadians could hold a whole conversation just saying, hey, 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 hey,
hey, hey, hey. Yeah, back and forth like a tennis match.
It's like fuck for Southern people. Fuck, 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 fuck. British have all sorts of weird sayings. Yeah. We was at the soccer game last night. It was like 50 degrees. Nobody knew how to act. All the Florida people were like, what's going on? It's too cold.
17, 18, I think, over here. I won't say it's shorts weather, but 949 opening range. Let's see where we get to. Do we take out the low or the high? ES is pushing. Wow, NQ is really NQ is weaker. I do have to say,
weather as we left Wisconsin. Butters, you went on a cruise? Hell yeah. I ain't been in a while. I like the cruises.
You like the cruises?
You like cruises?
No, never been.
Ever been on a cruise?
Never been.
I've been a few times. Had a great experience both times. Mm-hmm. Although when there's a storm out there in the middle of the ocean, you're trying to go to sleep and the whole boat's just like rocking back and forth.
Out of the bed onto the floor. Out of the bed onto the floor. Is it bad, really? You really feel it?
I think it depends on where you're at in the boat.
Yeah, that's what I heard people say.
Depends on how bad the storm is. Right before you go on the cruise, you got to watch the Titanic. One night was super choppy, yeah.
I'm liking this sell-off. Yeah, take a look at the 5-minute chart, ES, NQ. NQ is quite a bit weaker than ES right now. Surprisingly weaker.
Still kind of chopping sideways.
NQ made new lows for the entire, since the Globex Open. ES has not.
Killing that one also. Killing all my trades today. Okay. Cruise is kind of fun because you don't have to worry about anything. They got all the entertainment, all the food, everything's right there.
It's like an all-inclusive that we go on.
You're not spending half your vacation arguing with the wife over what you're going to eat. It's like, oh, they got food there. They got food there. They got food there. Sure, they got food there. Just pick one.
Arguing with your wife. Now the worst thing is when you're in the car. I made this mistake a few times with all the kids. This is when they were younger. Where do you guys want to eat? Oh my God, did I learn not to do that anymore? And then it became, this is where we're going. Who wants to go?
Yeah.
Holy shit, let me just say, every time I offered the where do you guys want to go eat thing, we ended up eating at home.
Pretty much, yeah.
We ended up eating at home and we had 3 kids crying.
That's pretty much the truth, yeah. Thanks for subscribing, Isaac. I think it's Isaac. We haven't taken the kids on a cruise. I'd like to take them. I bet they'd love it. Out of all the food they have, my kids would probably just eat pizza the whole time.
That's what I do when I go to weddings.
Just eat pizza.
I ask for the kids' meal.
I tell you the time I got in trouble at the Mexican restaurant because they wouldn't give me the kids' meal. Yeah, true story, man. You go to a Mexican restaurant, you can't get the kids' meal.
Didn't you tell me it's illegal to ask for a person's age in Florida?
No.
So you could yeah, you say you can't ask for ID or something with the senior citizens rebate or something.
Oh yeah.
So there you go. I gotta just tell them you're.
Nah, it wouldn't work for me the time I went.
I'm 8. I just grew this beard really early, and the gray.
Yeah, kids menu.
It's genetics.
Yeah, we went there. My wife loves the restaurant.
Really crawl around. The room was real small.
We'll never go because they won't let me get the kids menu. It's like you get there and like they got all the stuff I don't want, and then they got pizza and chicken nuggets and French fries and hamburgers. So look, just let me get a pizza and some French fries. You got to be under 12.
I get to act like I'm under 12.
Yeah.
Does that count?
Guy's like, no, you get rice and beans. Like, I don't want rice and beans. I want pizza and French fries.
I look like a rice and beans guy. Are we basing here?
He's like, oh, the rice and beans is good. I'm like, I bet it is good, man. I know y'all make some good food. I want some pizza and French fries. They weren't giving in either.
And Q put in a nice wick on the 5-minute.
Tamales, yeah. That's what my wife likes. It's just weird that like you got the food there. You know, people want to come in big parties because they want to all go out to eat together and stuff. There's always that one person that don't like certain things. So if you got it, why not just give it to them? In the end, they wind up losing money over it because every time everybody's like, hey, let's go somewhere. Like, hey, let's go there. I'm like, nah, just go to Chili's and get a hamburger there.
Are we bouncing here? We took out pre-market lows.
Let's bounce.
Now we're going to push higher maybe. VWAP 25,649. First target.
You think that was the manipulation? Now we can go higher.
Now we can go.
Came down, took out the liquidity. Now we can push up, break the bull flag.
ES is pushing strong. ES is taking out the U.S. session highs pretty much right now.
There we go. Kind of see it there.
We're quite a bit weaker still. I brought it up a few times. And Q is weaker today.
See if we can run this up, gather some support, and go. If my daughter comes back talking about, Dad, it was so cold, I'm gonna laugh so hard at her.
Hmm.
You know, you ever notice how kids are always right?
Weren't you always right when you were a kid? Why should it be different for them?
Right? I'm like, look, I know it's not cold. Just take your jacket just in case you feel like wearing it, right?
Yeah, you tie it around your waist.
The same kid that was literally in tears last night because it was 50 degrees. 35. I'm not cold. Okay. You're not cold in the house with the heater on 70. Does kind of fool you, huh? So y'all got snow?
Way too much.
Really?
I don't know what's going on. I gave my wife a hard time. I said, yeah, I always have to be the first one who puts on the snow tires. And now she's going, you see? It wasn't so.
Might have to post some pictures of the snow.
Mm.
If you want me to, I'll post some pictures of the not snow.
The sun.
I don't think our leaves started falling yet.
Wow.
I guess they started falling, but like not that much.
I'm curious. I just want to see something.
Why is Omnius echoing? It's probably Mike's fault.
On whose chat? On mine or on his? I would think on his.
Gotta be yours.
Omnius works with line 6.
Gotta be your chat.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, hear that? Sounds great on my chat.
I have no audio coming out anywhere. There should be no reason for you to be echoing.
Weird.
It's not on mine. I mean, it's not on yours.
No, I didn't hear no echo on my stream. I hear me keep coughing. That's all I hear.
No, you just said it one time. There's no echo.
No, there's an echo. I hear it.
Is he at the beginning of the stream where we were making that joke? Repeating that sentence over and over? Shouldn't be, because I have the FVR turned off or whatever it's called. DHS, I don't know what it's called.
No, he's been on the stream the whole time.
Yeah.
That'd be funny though, wouldn't it?
27.
And we're still sideways. Who all likes the sideways market? I keep hearing that the market ranges 80% of the time. You think that's true?
Yeah, I would say that, but it all depends on how you define ranges, right?
I guess.
You know, what's ranging on the 1 hour is not ranging on the 1 minute, possibly. It depends on what time frame you're using. Or maybe they just say it's fractal. Price is fractal. On whatever chart you're on, we're ranging. Oh, that was a mistake.
Still looking for it to break to the long side. Unless we come down and break this low and hold it. Still got that kind of bull flag on the hourly talking about.
Yes, came off a little bit. But no,
Haven't seen that guy yet. Thought he was gonna come back. Hang out there.
You remember his name?
Cool dude.
Oh, yeah. You were calling him Cold Dude.
Cold dude? I don't know.
Cold dude. Dude. I'm short from the bottom. Good job.
There you go. Just call him dude. Maybe somebody else was giving them better answers. Like, oh man, we're gonna make you a millionaire in like 6 weeks. No, we're looking for people that serious about trading here, not the I'm gonna be a millionaire in 6 weeks. Different crowd, I guess. Thought this was the real song for a second. Be a millionaire in a week or two.
No, maybe just not showing up at 9:30. Didn't show up early in the morning yesterday. Omnius, are you holding a trade?
Omnius, am I holding a trade? No. 1, terrible at holding trades. 2, the hell y'all trading? We ain't doing nothing but going sideways. 3, I took 2 or 3 bought trades this morning. I think I cut everyone kind of short. And I lowered contract size because, if you didn't hear, last week was not a very good week for the bot. So I still want to take the trades in the morning time. My risk management. Is that the right one? All right, I think that one lowered down even more. What's higher than that? Thing was set for 3 and 4. But last week wasn't a good week for the bot. So,
What's up, Sparky? You want some
which
cookies?
really it was just 2 days. I think all the other days were good days. Yeah, whatever. How about you, Butters? Any looks like you are. Why does it look like I am? On this chart? Not seeing what you're seeing.
I'm out of
Out of
the
the
short.
short
Yeah, I
now,
didn't
looking
get it
for
when you
another
said you were short from the bottom, Butters. I thought that was like a good thing. I read it as you're long from the bottom.
greenish looking chart. You sure that was on my stream? Been kind of biased to the long side, but so far we haven't really broke to the long side. Or maybe you're talking about this chart. The only chart I got is a 3.
ATR 27.
Could have taken the same trade twice. I mean, if you get the setup and you feel like it's good quality, take it. If you're worried about it, lower your contract size.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had wealth charts open for a bit.
Showing Mike's stream.
It didn't go well. I closed it. I took my one loss for the day on it. Actually, a bigger loss. Another operator error, unfortunately for me. I should have been out at break even. I actually had a get out at break even signal, and I didn't see it, and
Could take a range trade. Try to take a long here.
Ended up costing me a ton. It's okay.
The problem is that I guess the ATR is too high. It's like you jump in a trade and the stop's like right there. I'll take it for the 5 points, 6 points, whatever it gave me.
It was more than I wanted to lose, but I'm still a work in progress. But I'm really trying to just trade one loss and rotate out of the account if it puts me red. That's it. Don't cause any damage, real damage to any account.
What account? What firm you trading, Mike?
Right now, Bulenox in front of me and Apex PA on the Ninja. Soon I'm going to load the Volumetrica chart. Trade with Taurus. Take a couple of trades. Just want to get my Bulenox up a little bit.
You get you a Taurus account?
Yeah. Let's go. Push lower. Nah, come on. Can't go green right away all the time, eh?
It sure is nice though when it does.
Yeah, I know.
Right. I don't know. I might have to change my stop loss back to what I had it before. I had it before at 27, but I don't know. When I had it that, I felt like sometimes I was trying harder to make back up the losses. With the tighter stop, it's just so much easier to make up the losses. But at the same time, if I'm getting in the trades and the stop's right there, then it's not really doing the trade justice.
You know what? I could say even that was potentially true, even though I only traded one trade on well charts today. I did take a loss in it last time I traded it also, and it was on my mind to try and make it up today. A little bit of carryover from the last session.
Yeah. Not good at trying to make up counts. Just want to take the trade.
There we go. I wanted to see us get down to 71. Thank you very much.
Find that generally, if I'm just taking the trades, generally I'm going to be green on the day.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, of course, there's going to be those few days, but other than that, I feel like most days are green if I just take the trades. When I say, oh, damn, I'm red, I got to make it back, that's when problems start happening.
Yep. That's why I closed it down.
The market knows.
The market knows. I think our brains get fried. We just start making stupid decisions, honestly.
That part. Yeah, I think when you're trying to make back lost money, I think at the end of the day, you can go back through your chart and look at all your trades. And it's just like, what the fuck was I thinking?
What was I doing? Yeah, I know.
When you go back and you look at your trades, like most of mine, I can show you on the volume chart. I go back, like you can clearly see that entry. You can clearly see that one. But then if I'm trying to make back money, it's like, what the fuck was that? Like, when you can't even explain to yourself the logic behind the trade.
Yeah.
You're trying to force the market to do something that it doesn't want to do.
It's exactly what I did today on my well charts trade. I'll walk you through it. It got stopped out. I covered only half. It went back to break even with my other half, and that's what I'm saying. I should have been out because it already got stopped out, and I did hold it when I shouldn't have, but it went back to break even. That was my plan, but I forgot. So what happened? I rode it all the way down from 614, I think, all the way down to 585, an extra 30 points. Like an idiot.
Stupid idiot.
Like a stupid idiot. But the funny thing is, if I was sitting beside somebody and he was doing that, I would be saying to him, I would be pushing him and saying, what the fuck are you doing? Isn't that the crazy thing?
Yeah. It's like our brains just shut down when something's not going our way. You ever see like a toddler, right? And it's not going their way and they just start crying.
Was that what I was doing?
I think that just never really leaves us. It's like I wanted that trade to win. So get over it.
No, what it was is I didn't want to lose, so then I ended up losing more.
Exactly.
Like you said, take the trade. trade the process. What was I saying to the guy yesterday? You got to have a plan. Then you got to be psychology. You got to be wired to trade the plan. I didn't trade the plan. The plan was to get out. I didn't trade it. I held.
That's one of the reasons I like my charts to be kind of colored. If you ever notice, like all my charts have something color in the candles.
Yeah, I did that also a lot.
I don't think any of them's actually like regular candles.
Yeah, even if mine were colored, I still would have held.
A lot of people don't like the red. I don't know. The red don't bother me. It's just like if you're long and the candle is red, then you probably shouldn't be long. Yeah. If you're, of course, that's not the regular candle color. So on the 2-minute chart, I got the indicator to color the background, but I always feel like it probably distracts people.
Yeah, that's actually what I used to do. Sorry. I said I colored like you, but no, I used to color backgrounds. So when the background was red, I would be short bias.
Well, I mean, the background color really just tells you what I'm looking for anyways. Or I got the same thing on the RSI.
And I used to base it on higher time frames also.
So I can see it on the RSI, I can see it on the background, but I just turn it off, don't matter. I see it in the chart anyways. Just looks more cluttered, I guess, with the background on. What's your volume at now?
Give me a sec here. 720. That's pretty good.
Is it? Looks like it's kind of dying down on mine. I mean, it's still a holiday. No matter what we think about it, we still got to realize it's still a holiday. Got to trade it like it's a holiday. So we are breaking down. So I don't know. Maybe that bull flag's invalidated.
Yeah, ES also. ES is at the pivot point.
Pushed up. They got all the buyers excited. Trapped the buyers. I guess that's your manipulation. And going back down.
NQ way below the pivot point already. 40 points below. ES just tapping into the pivot point right now.
What do I look for in the long term? I'd be looking to come back maybe to the 25,400, go back up. Still convinced that November is going to be a bullish month. So I'll be looking for something.
How are we doing for November? Where did November start at?
Yeah, I need to look at the monthly.
My chart doesn't go back that far.
1 month. Probably freeze up my chart, huh? So we got November there. I didn't have them candle colored. Which one is it? This one? This one? No, not that one. Not that one. That one. Looks like we're down. Hard to get the exact number. Looks like we're down almost 2%. 1.76.
For the month?
Yeah. It's only been 11 days.
Yeah.
And once again, for anyone wondering why I would think that, if we go over to triple
Yeah, where'd you get
Qs,
that from?
get what?
Those stats I remember that you were showing a while back.
I'll show them right now. Go over to the triple Qs
No, but where'd you get it from?
and then go to the seasonals.
Are you on a scanner?
TradingView.
Oh, trading.
TradingView. And then November has been green 10 out of the last 12 years. And as far as red, the 2 years it was red, one was 0.2 and the other one was 1.5. So already lower than any year we've had for the past 12 years. Let's go back a little bit further. So 16 years, we've had 12 green, 4 red. And another one was around 0. So basically break even. So basically 2 break evens and 2 red months out of 16 years. And the most was 2.6. So we're not that far away from that now. Yeah, step away for a minute. Be right back.
Whatever you're getting, get me one. Hey, look at gold, 4,100. I didn't even notice. I took a little short in gold, but I didn't even know. I didn't even pay attention to the price. How crazy is that, eh? Everything working now? Yeah, this is the Volumetrica platform with Taurus. Oh. You know what? Honestly, I think that's the one of the keys in successful trading, being a consistent trader. I mean, if you don't have Grand Slam days, again, I have to talk from my perspective where I put together days that make $100, $150, $200. It's just to rotate accounts, to have a little portfolio of accounts. I mean, I'm not going to say how many accounts a person needs. I don't know. I guess it's a personal thing. But just rotate from one to the other. Make your 50, make your 80, go to another one, make your 50, make your 80, go to another one, lose 30, lose 40, lose 50. Rotate. Again, don't cause much damage in them. And they all grow nice. As long as you're able to do that. Like I said, I screwed up today on wealth charts. Mental error. Nobody's perfect, I guess. Everyone's still going to make mental errors. I made a mental error today with the audio. I made a mental error with the trading. Is Ninja still open, or I closed it? I'll take a one lot over here. Very low risk on this. 1, 2, there we go. Come on, take me out. You're going down hard, but still. Gotta get out. Not making that mistake again. Let's get down to 50. There we go. That's my seal imitation. Echo, echo.
I guess if you're doing a seal, I'll do the dog. Probably gonna be an early day today.
Good. Love them early days.
Order filled.
You got the family home. Well, right now they're at a parade, but be home at some point.
Order filled.
I'm slow on the switch today. I got to be careful.
What's the switch? Platform to platform?
No, what I mean is reaction.
Order filled.
I'm not.
Does it not put in your take profit automatically?
No, I don't do that. I like to do it manually, but I'm making mistakes today. I think we have a delivery, and it's a snowstorm out there, so I want to get it. I'll be back in a sec. I hear my dog barking.
Yeah, blame the dog. Man, if there's a snowstorm out there, I ain't going. I do want to take my kids to go see snow, though. We've tried several times. I don't think either of the kids ever seen snow. We tried several times. Every time it failed. A few days early or a few days late. Anybody trading this? What are you trading? Mean reversion, trend following? Omnius echoing again. On Mike's stream. You probably forgot to mute his mic. Yep, he might have forgot to mute mic. Trying to go lower. Something's holding us up. Must be a large buy order here. See if it breaks through. There it goes, breaking through.
Don't be echoing again. Doesn't make sense. It's impossible.
Figured maybe you left your mic on or something.
He's right. I see it. I see it. You are now not echoing. He was right. I had the audio output capture and your capture. I don't know why there's an audio output capture. Maybe I put it because of the game. Let's get rid of it. Wow.
Guy's got a pretty good book map set up. This is Bookmap Stream Futures. For anybody interested, bootlegging somebody else's stream, give them credit for their stream. Come after me.
Oh, I get it. It's when I switched. That's it. Remember I switched to the green charts, Butters? Come on, Mike. Remember I switched to the green charts? It's the green charts. This is the green chart layout. It's a different scene.
Man. What's
It's
the
a
green
different
chart?
scene.
I haven't seen the green chart.
Yeah, it's well charts. I don't have it up now, but that's why it was happening. I was changing scenes. And then when I checked it, I was on, again, a different scene. Think of a scene like a folder. It has all the components of the stream. So I changed folders, and this one is the one that was causing the echo. Anyways, it's fixed now.
I like this setup. Maybe I should have Bookmap and kind of do this guy's setup.
Okay, let's get back to trading. I missed some trades. Oh, I have an entry at 08. No, we're far away from that. I don't want to take an entry at 25,500 short. That's a round number.
Can somebody message this guy and tell him to do live feed only? So I don't have to keep hitting the live button. I feel like Bookmap's addicting. Like you get to watching it and then Feels weird not watching it.
What? Yeah.
Bammy, you got bookmap. Do you ever feel like it's weird if you're not watching it? Just kind of like draws you into it. Have to avoid letting the large order limits dictate bias. Yeah. Man, it's nice though to be able to see the red lines, large orders down here. Was this around the 500? Too blind to be able to see what the number says though. Everything else looks really thin though. So you see all that, and then you go back to the candle chart, and it's like, well, that's boring.
Yeah.
You get addicted to the book map.
Bugger. What are we thinking? Still short? NQ just made day lows. ES bouncing off the pivot point again still. Didn't really get below it. So ES is holding.
Just trying to set a custom chat box, but I don't see it displaying chat. Really good with bubbles for breakouts and absorption. Yeah. Chat background disable. Yeah, work in progress.
Would I be wrong to be thinking long? What do you think?
I don't know. I was playing with a chat box.
What were you playing with?
Chat box. Like at school when you're doing something you're not supposed to be doing, and the teacher like calls on you and like, "What are you playing with?" Chat box.
You know what? I'm making a mistake. I'll be back. My daughter got offered a full-time job and she's still in school. She's all happy and I'm not even up there congratulating her. Give me a second. That's not a good dad, right?
Tell her I said congratulations too.
I will. Give me a second. Give her a hug and tell her congrats.
Yeah, give her a hug for me too, and the rest of the guys. Anybody else want a hug? Bama said congratulations too. Just tell her all the future guys. They all say congratulations. Maybe I should message one of these bookmap guys and see if they mind if I bootleg their stream. Bama, maybe you should do a bookmap stream. A lot of those guys do really good, and that's all they do is a bookmap. I don't know if my computer could run another software. Mm. Right. What are we looking for? I'd stream mine on Discord, but not home. Yep. Bet me you like streaming on Discord? I don't even know how that works. Seen a few of the other traders, I guess that's what they do. It's Discord only. I guess then you don't have to worry about all of YouTube stuff. YouTube getting mad about everything.
Mic on. Oh, I came just in time for a trade too. Again at this level, huh? I'm asking for punishment. I should be sitting out over here. You know, that thing I said, if there's a reason not to take the trade, there's a reason not to be going short of 25,505. Oh my God. There's more than one reason. Sometimes we do things we know are wrong. We shouldn't be doing them. And why do I do them?
To learn a
FOMO.
very valuable lesson.
FOMO, greed. I say to myself, yeah, but what if this time? I mean, look at my chart. Look at that bottom over there, really? And I'm selling right into it. Right into it. At the bottom, I'm selling at 05. Like pretty much the low of it, I'm selling. How stupid is that, really? I mean, you know, I always said to myself, there's a reason not to take a trade, even though you get a trigger. Don't take it. That's what experience is for. Otherwise,
I mean, it depends if you're wanting to take the breakout.
I'm not a breakout trader. I'm a retrace continuation style trader, which is what we got here. We got the bump and the push down, but it's a little late where I'm getting in.
Yeah. I would consider this, if you're getting in here, kind of a premium.
Yeah, like, well, I don't know what your premium.
I wouldn't consider this a discount.
Mm.
I mean, for a discount, I'd be looking for up here somewhere. But if you're looking, this does look like a nice breakout. So if you're looking for the breakout, then
Nah. Actually, and my entry price was bad also. I mean, I had good opportunity there to do good stuff.
I feel like breakout traders are looking at this and saying, what are you talking about? This is a great trade.
Mm.
So that's why you got to decide what kind of trader you are.
But not at 25,500, even if it looks like a great trade. 25,500 with the ES at the pivot point. ES is still at the pivot point, still holding above it. Your probabilities are lower that it's going to work out.
New subscriber. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you. Mike, how do you pronounce that name? Oh, left.
Stream Elements. That's all I see. Thanks for subscribing, and a smiley.
Dejum?
I don't have a name showing up on my chat.
It says Dejum.
Yeah, just says thanks for subscribing with Stream Elements. Crown number 2, thanks for subscribing.
That's the name at the end of it, right before the ghost.
No, I don't have it. Oh, it's hidden by the reaction button. I'm on the cell phone. You know, the reaction button doesn't go away.
Yeah.
So it's blocking it. Digim. Digem. Digem. Chicken.
Anyways, appreciate you subscribing. Look forward to seeing you more on the stream.
For anyone watching, gold kind of bounced off 4,100. A little bit higher, but close enough.
Still trying to break that support? Mike, what are you doing, hiding?
Oh, sorry. Thanks for reminding me.
You know you're doing some DJing shit when you're hiding. Well, let me hide for what I'm about to do. Like we're trying to go lower, but then kind of struggling to go lower at the same time. Volume's not really bad like I thought it would be.
No. It's actually decent. Almost at $1 million already. At what time? Okay, 11 o'clock. No, it was slow, but I mean, not slow, but in the good zone. Average to high. Okay, 11 o'clock. I got to assume that's pretty much about what my day is going to be. I usually can't do much more good.
Even the book map volume seems kind of low.
After 11 o'clock.
One day, Bama's going to teach me what all those lines mean on there. Bama, what's that red line at the bottom? Is that Delta? Is that trading real? The hell is that? I think the red line's Delta. Don't know what that indicator is. See down here at the bottom, kind of right there, also where it says Delta line. I'm assuming cumulative delta. I don't know what the trading rail is. DVD. Yeah, it should be the same thing, right? Cumulative volume delta. I don't know, that might be something different. Yeah, I don't know. It might say it underneath this chart. Maybe it's got it hidden under the chart. Once again, kind of watching some of this guy's stream. He is live. If anybody's interested, looks like Bookmap Stream Futures. So definitely want to give him credit for his own stream. And certainly don't want to watch for too long. Kind of nice to kind of check in on the Bookmap though.
Still pushing higher. Thought we might have seen a bit of bounce to the downside there.
I keep thinking like this could be the spot where it goes up, but I feel like that's what gets you in trouble.
Yeah. Let me see.
Or at least it gets me in
still
trouble.
holding. Yeah, still holding above the pivot point. Yeah, ES has definitely been stronger than NQ all morning.
I missed my ES chart to get rid of it to swap it out for the 15-minute NQ.
Yeah, I like to take a look at the two of them.
Yeah. Now let's put it up. Yeah. Yes, holding up better.
Yeah, all morning since the market's opened at 9:30.
Why does your stream look weird?
You see, that's what happens when you change charts, when you change providers, whatever. And I have different, like I said, the different scenes.
Oh, yeah?
And I forget to switch it back.
I don't know. That might have been the buying opportunity.
Yep.
Divergence on the RSI also.
Keeps going. A bit of a tough spot over here, eh? I think I might attempt a long. We get up to 29. Oh, no, not working out for me today. Let me just take a quick look at this long game. Can't work the two of them. Wow, look at you. Your aura is so bright. I thought you were drinking. I thought you were drinking from a bottle, and that's why I didn't know that was a flashlight. Can we get back up to 29 again? Bouncing between 15 and 29. Well, you're really going to do this to me, eh? It's crazy.
I didn't do anything. What are you
Not
talking
you. The market.
about? All right. I guess I'm going to go meet the family for breakfast.
Ah, good night.
Something about omelets and bacon and stuff like that.
Okay, that's it for this. Not a good day on the first day on the volumetric charts.
They getting you?
Yeah, markets aren't
It's too choppy. Look at the
been
2-minute
cooperative
chart.
for me today.
Look at the 2-minute chart. It's just wicks everywhere. Bama, later. See you tomorrow. I think I'm fixing to be getting out of here. So I'll see everybody tomorrow. Family is off today. Kids are off. Go meet up with them, have some breakfast. Skeletor, later. Appreciate you guys as always. Mike, are you hanging out? You want people to go to your stream or?
Till I'm going to stick around till 11:30, 11:45.
All right, guys. Mike is going to stick around for a little bit.
I hope I don't regret that decision.
I mean, it's one of those days. I mean, so prepare for it.
Tough day. It's tough day. The markets are playing me.
Guys, if y'all are going to hang out, head over to Mike's stream. We do have the link. A few comments up on the comment board. So click that link, take you over to him. Appreciate everyone. See everybody tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Okay, Omnius. Take care.
Mike,
I'll see you
appreciate
tomorrow.
you. See you tomorrow morning.
Thanks for coming by. Thanks for hanging out. I thought maybe I might be on my own today. So it was nice to see your face. Have a good day. Say hi to the family.
I will. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye, guys.
I don't know. Looking at the charts here, I think really there's only one trade to take, and that's to the downside. Right now, I got a little bit of a short-term bias to the upside, but I'm really thinking maybe just stick with what I see as the move for the day so far, and the move for the day is down. Can't complain though. I mean, yeah, I got hurt on the well charts, and I got hurt on the volumetric charts on the Taurus account, but my Bulenox account is up. My PA's on Apex, or one PA is up, I think. Yeah, I just traded one PA, so that's good. A little bit of balance. Unfortunately, my losses were a little bit bigger today. I was kind of hoping my stop would hold, or price would hold at my stop, but it continued, and I had to get out. I think both times I got out at the low. All right, let's see if the what do you call it? The browser goes three for three on bad luck. 11:15. It would be time for the coin flip trade. If we were doing the coin flip trade, what would I say? I would probably say long here. Missed it by a second. I mean, I got in, but the first entry. Yeah, I'm gonna take it because that was 10 points. Actually, there's another entry at 29. Targeting 36. See if I can get in at a better price. 27, 2 points better. I only wanted a one lot. Get out. I only want a one lot on this. What am I targeting? 36. Let's put in the sell limit. I'll add one at the low 20s right there. Help improve my price. Still targeting 36. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you know what? Let's go for a 2 bars. A 2 bar. Can we make a 2 bar? No, huh? 22, 33, 11 points for the target. Let's go. 31, 32. Give another little push. Now I need a 3 bar. There's your 3 bar. There's your little push. Hey. Nice move up. Market's showing a little strength. Okay, let's see if we can get into a trade. Don't want to force anything. NQ coming up to the pivot point at 25,583, 25,500, pretty much held. I mean, we went down to 85, but looking at the 5-minute chart, it pretty much held. ES, wow, ES really pushed off the pivot point. ES is taking out pre-market highs now. NQ hasn't even gotten back to pre-market lows, so NQ still quite a bit weaker. Whoa, you scared me. Again, yeah, you opened the door pretty aggressive. Good job. Getting a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, NQ rejected off the pivot point at 25,583. ES almost got up to US session highs. Coming into a bullish for a value gap on the 5-minute NQ. Let's see what we get on the 15-second chart. Too little, too late. That's it. I'm not going to take anything off the 15-second chart now. Got below the bands. We're still above on the 1 minute, but like I said, NQ is quite weak. What was that? 590, 530. That was the 60-point dump. ATR, 17 points right now. Yeah, tried to get filled again. Okay, we wait. We wait. 11:30. Big move. Big move incoming. I think that it was the big move. Hey, wow, it's a shame I did poorly on the two trades that I took inside the browser. It's kind of odd because everything I took inside Ninja Trader and with Bulenox was green. Wow, still going lower, eh? Look at that. Just took out US session lows. Actually, just took out session lows. 5-minute. Oh, still early, but 4 minutes left in this candle. It looks like it's gonna make a nice bearish fair value gap. We see now a bit of a bounce now that we just wicked the session lows. Kind of looks like that's what it wants to do, eh? got back over 25,500. Let's go. Let's see if we can push up to 15. Yeah, 15. Targeting 25,015. And there we go. There was a 50% probability of hitting that. 25,015. Believe it or not, I'd be looking for continuation to the downside now. Let's take a look what ES is doing. Wow, ES bounced off the pivot point again at 68.31 and pushing aggressively higher. And NQ swept session lows at about 25,490 and now is trading higher. Not sure if I'm eager to take the next short trade. Let's just take a small one lot and see. Are we going to rotate lower from here now? Let's take a look what's going on at the 30-minute. So compress that chart a little bit. Was support. Kind of became a little bit of a resistance over here. We got below it. Holding below it. We're trading trading lower on the day. Just been drifting lower all day long. I do want to put VWAP up on this chart. Previous close 721. We're at 531. We're 200 points below. That's about 1% lower. Let's get a VWAP up here just to see where it is. Yeah, so NQ's weak today. NQ's been weak, been the weaker of the two since the open. Might have to get it on this one. Yep. Oh, no. No. I wasn't supposed to get out. Don't turn around. Another human error. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm trading a little bit too impulsively now. Where are we going? Are we going higher? Are we going lower? I got this little up move here. Is this a retrace? And we continue lower, or is this going to be now part of a continuation move higher? That's so funny. That's so funny. There we go. Okay. I think that's it for me, guys. I'm trading impulsively. I'm actually trading my balance, which isn't a good thing. I don't like that. So I want to end on a good note. We'll be streaming again, me and Omnius Trades, tomorrow at Take Care, Skeletor. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. And hopefully I'll have a good day on all my platforms, not just on half of my platforms. Take care, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. And we'll see you tomorrow.